So you're looking for a new construction in Dacula, Georgia. Is your budget from $500,000 to $600,000? And are you looking for a 5-bedroom home? Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to take you to Dacula, a brand new master plan community, Bailey Fence by Taylor Morrison. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Essex Floor Plan. This is a property that is listed. This floor plan is available in Bailey Fence. Now, it is a 5-bedroom, 4 bathrooms, approximately 3,300 square feet, with a guest room on the main level with a full bathroom, gorgeous backyard with a covered patio, beautiful kitchen, open floor plan, and then of course an amazing master bedroom upstairs with a master bed and a huge walk-in closet. Now, Essex Floor Plan, this home that I'm going to show you today, it is available like around $585,000. So if you're looking for something like that, make sure you contact us today so we can bring you here and go over everything that Taylor Morrison has to offer in this gorgeous community. Now, in today's video, I'm also going to show you the entire neighborhood so you can see how it looks. Then I'm going to show you the amenities. They have a gorgeous pool. So for those of you that have kids, or if you want to just relax by the pool, you can do that in Bailey Fence here in Dacula, Georgia. There are some amazing communities here. It is an amazing area, very good school district as well. So if you stick around until the end, I'm going to share with you the best kept secrets of this neighborhood that you definitely don't want to miss. And we are getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bika with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwanee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Sugar Hill, Beaufort, Dacula, or the surrounding areas. And we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today I'm going to show you a gorgeous property, the Essex Floor Plan from Taylor Morrison. This is a 5-bedroom, 4 bathrooms, 3,300 square feet with a beautiful covered patio in the back, and it is available here in Bailey Fence. Now, for those of you that want to order a floor plan like the Essex Floor Plan that I'm going to show you today, you can do that as well. As you see, they have a lot of lots available. So, and of course, they have 5 or 6 different floor plans available here in Bailey Fence. Now, as you see here, there are lots available. So you can build your home right here in Bailey Fence. If Essex is too small for you, no worries. Taylor Morrison has also a bigger floor plan available. The Sumner, which is 3,500 square feet, so a little bit bigger than the property that I'm going to show you today. But today, let's concentrate on Essex Floor Plan. So for those of you that love this floor plan, or you love the location of this community, Bailey Fence by Taylor Morrison in Dacula, make sure you subscribe, you like the video, and make sure you call us. So $585,000, gorgeous home, new construction, built in 2024. And of course, if you qualify for this beautiful property, you will get a lot of incentives. So for the quick-in move homes, Taylor Morrison here in Bailey Fence offers a 4.49% for the first year and then 5.49% for the next 29 years. But for that, you will have to qualify for that. You will have to have a very good credit score. You will have to put up to 20% down cash and then qualify for the rest. So for that, make sure you call us so we can bring you here to the sales center, to the sales representative, so we can go over all the incentives and everything that they have to offer for these beautiful properties. Now let's go inside and check out the Essex Floor Plan for $585,000 here in Bailey Fence. Okay, now this home right here, this is the Essex Floor Plan from Taylor Morrison in Bailey Fence. This will, you will be able to get the Essex Floor Plan, which is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, approximately 3,300 square feet at $585,000. This is gorgeous, beautiful, ready to move in. Now let's go inside and check it out. Now, as you see here, these are empty lots available because they just starting building this community at the beginning of the year. So they already have maybe 20 or 30 homes done. So here are the lots. If this property that I showed you today is not the one for you, you can call me. We're gonna bring you here. You can choose the floor plan that best fits your family. You know, a bigger floor plan or smaller floor plan. You can actually also add a basement. It's going to be a little bit more expensive here in Taylor Morrison in Bailey Fence, because adding a basement is probably like $100,000. So instead of 500 to 600,000 home, you're gonna have from 600,000 to 700,000. You can actually choose a lot here anywhere at the end of the neighborhood and build. For example, the Sumner is one of the biggest floor plan. The Trenton also is very good floor from Taylor Morrison, where you can add a basement, so you're gonna have more space, and eventually down the road you can actually finish that basement. So a lot of possibilities here in Bailey Fence in Dacula by Taylor Morrison. Now, for those of you that don't need the basement, keep in mind from 500 to 585, you can get a beautiful floor plan here in Bailey Fence. So if you need a basement right here, this street goes all the way down because they're gonna have a total of 92 homes. So you can choose the floor plan that best fits your family, and you can choose the lot. But now if you have a basement, it's going to be a little like a slope lot where they're gonna build the basement and you're gonna have a beautiful deck. So beautiful options, amazing options here in Bailey Fence by Taylor Morrison. Now, we hope this video was helpful for those of you that are looking for a 5-bedroom and you want to be between $500,000 to $600,000. Essex Floor Plan is a beautiful floor plan from Taylor Morrison. But if this is too small or you don't like it, don't worry. Taylor Morrison here in Bailey Fence has a lot of homes available. Now, I talked to the listing agents, and right now they have 8 properties that are ready to move in the next 30 to 60 days. Now, for these 8 properties, of course, all of them are different floor plan, different elevation, different backyard, different locations, so different prices, of course. Now make sure you contact us so we can bring you here, so we can show you all the available properties and see if you like any of these homes. Now comment below and let me know, is Essex a good floor plan for you and your family, or are you looking for something bigger? This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.